SR20.
SR20.
That's a spicy SR20.
The spiciest SR20 ever.
I'm sorry to say, but this would destroy the Junior. The 480 kilowatt.
Yeah. Keep it right.
Oh hey! I've got an EVO VII right here, and you guys been asking, I want more car reviews. So we figured, well, we've got the EVO sitting right there. We're gonna do a little bit of a walk around for you. We're gonna do a walk around. I'm gonna tell you about all the parts, because this is the no expense spared EVO right here, our current giveaway. And yes, it's quite spicy. We were never thinking about doing an EVO, but we saw this one pop up and we're like, that is Keep It Reet vibes right there. And here she is. Let's get into it. I'll start with that bodywork, but before I do, oof, check out that bus right there. Can't not mention the bus build, never gonna happen. Parked up there, you'll probably see that in every vlog for the next 3 years. Anyway, bodywork. So, according to the old owner, because I'm just going off his spec, his specifications, because I don't know shat about these things. So we've got a Voltex Widebody, not Vertex, it's Voltex. So it's Mitsubishi things already. And I'm guessing it's a Voltex bonnet, don't know. Voltex front bumper that's very low to the ground and then got many cracks on it because of that reason. So yeah, it's all grafted in. Well, I think this is just grafted in, don't know. Yes, I can feel it. No, oh. Yeah, I think it's grafted in. The side skirts, the rear is definitely grafted in. So you got your stock body, and then she's molded in there real nice like. Pop that door open, come have a look. Now that's grafted. Look, how can you prove it? Looks factory, apart from a little crack there. Don't look at that, secret crack. But yeah, it's also grafted into the rear bumper. So can't pull off rear bumper. So fun fact. But it looks okay, and it's wide. And it's also got the splitters, canards, don't know, whatever they're called, carbon. Come around the back, have a look at the back.
That's a full rear splitter really, isn't it?
Yeah, something like that, but it looks spicy. I do really like the styling of this thing. These, apparently worth $7,000 to $8,000. What in tarnation? Rise Japan, custom handmade Japanese taillights. Everyone wants them because there's only a few made, and apparently the Americans try to snatch them up, but there's about 15 floating around. What I was told, once again, don't know, probably got ripped off. But that's them there, and they have sequential modes, LED things. They can do, you can program to do the LED thing, VIP car things, but they do look spicy. He gave me the option to put stock taillights in. I was like, hell no, can't do that. It's the no expense spared EVOs, huh? Then we got this wang. Don't know if it's stock or not, but it's a big wang and it looks okay. G-Ready exhaust. This thing sounds like an SR20. Tell me if I'm wrong. I reckon it sounds like SR20.
You'll get a lot of hate for that.
Yeah, probably. It's 4-cylinder, same thing. Might even be an SR20 with the Mitsubishi cover. We don't know. Sitting on these wide boys, 11.5, 0 or plus 15 TE37Vs. So pretty much a TE37 with dash. So V must mean dash, dishes. And sitting on Nankang NS2R tracker dash and tyres. They do look spicy. And that is it for the externals. Now we can pop the bonnet for you.
Oh, SR20.
SR20. Here is where a lot of the other monies has gone. Into the, it's a the newest motor, EVO something.
11 is it?
Yeah, EVO 11, don't know, EVO 20, SR20. So what litre are these? Don't know.
This is a 2 litre.
That's 2 litre. Why is there a piston coming out of there? Don't know. It's got 5 cylinders. Yeah, so 2 litre SR20.
Two people do stroke these, I think, so 2.2.
Yeah, that's right. But I don't think he did on this one. I think he's just gone forged internals. He's got Kelford cams. He's thrown a lot of the good parts at it. So he's got the Magnus intake, the SME exhaust manifold that looks really spicy. The turbos look crazy tiny, but they run so much boost. I don't know how these things work. Factory, I think these things run like 20 PSI. This is running 30 PSI low boost and 40 PSI high boost, making just under 400 kilowatt. Which is pretty crazy out of a small boy motor, out of the SR20. And yeah.
Comment below if you're upset by the
comment below if I'm upsetting you. We've got MCA suspension. It's got the 5-speed gearbox with a, I think it's a twin play clutch. I forget.
It feels like it.
Yes, and it's got some short shafter thing. We'll go have a look at it now. But let's do it. Let's have a look. Pretty stock standard. Why is it yelling at me? Shut your ass. What is it? WR? Don't know. MKR? Something like that. No. KWR. I can read good. No. WK Motorsports.
Oh, there you go. We all can.
That box reminds me, she's got an M-Tron ECU, which is not a cheap ECU. It's got all the safeties in the world. It's got an anti-lag button. You can go high boost, low boost, and I think you hold this button and you can anti-lag it. Yeah, it is one right here. I think it's high boost, low boost if you click the top, and if you hold it down. These things are actually very nice to drive. It does remind me of like something in between the 34 and like an S13. Like they're small and nimble, but you just sit in them really comfortably.
Yeah.
Like it does have that 4-door vibe, but it just feels much more like a go-kart. You can tell it feels light and it just grips the road. So probably one of the up there cars for drivability and streetability when you compare it to the Supra, RX-7. What else is annoying? Most of them are annoying. Yeah, the 32 GTR. They're all just painful, all those 2-door things. They just give you no room. They got no back seat. And they're just situated weird, like the steering wheel's on your lap and stuff. Where this is just, it's just nice.
It's a full street car, but with carrying powers.
Pretty much, yeah. It's very nice, it's very good.
Very nice. Those Recaro seats.
Ooh.
They're actually pretty comfy too.
They are quite comfy. So what else we got left to do? Maybe a bit of a street test and maybe some sounds. We'll start it up for you and let you listen to that SR20. Forgot to mention it is a full titanium exhaust. It gives it that raspiness. So titanium seems to be the thing these days. With titanium the last 3 or 4 cars, I reckon. They sound kang. They do. That's a nice SR20. Should we take it for a little spin?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yes.
That's a bit spicy. That is quite spicy, James.
That is spicy. Comes on the heart.
It does. Holy moly!
Holy hell. I don't even know what I'm changing gears there. Feels like I can rev out a bit more than that.
Well, was it 8 or 9 or something it would go out to?
I don't know actually what this actually revs to. I feel like it'll rev out a fair bit. But yeah, it definitely has the forged motor pull.
Yeah.
Something about
feels
forged
great.
motors, they just come on so hard down low. It's insane.
Yeah. The spiciest SR20 ever.
That's the tag.
That's a target.
I'm sorry to say, but this would destroy the Junior. It's a 480 kilowatt.
Yeah.
It has the response pulls from so low. It's the right size turbski.
Oh. And it pulls hard too.
It just keeps going all the way through. That time I ripped it.
I can't hold the camera still. So, thoughts?
She quick.
Definitely quick.
She damn quick. It's definitely up there. I mean, the amount of pull it had definitely feels like an all-wheel drive barrel wagon. That revs out a lot more.
Yeah, definitely revs.
Yeah, definitely spicy.
Definitely is.
Hope you enjoyed. Keep a Reet chat reviews, part 2. EVO.
Make sure you got your entry in.
Get your entry in. KeepItReet.com. She will sell out.
What are you wearing there, Jace?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. Some free schmerch.
Ooh.
Hopefully not sell out at World Time Attack.
That's king.
And some free bucket hats you've all been asking.
Ooh. They'll be back in stock very soon. Ooh. If not now.
Yeah, we'll be on the website, if not now. But yeah, we just stocked up a lot, so make sure you jump on it. Support the boys with this can content. It ain't cheap. Shut that. Well, yeah, just get on it. And I'll see you next time. Like that ad. Drop that ad. Shut that.
Even though it's slowly, I can see your plan unfolding. Open in front of me, my walk is far from over strolling. Holding on to pieces, the reasons I feel them chosen. Rendered incomplete, a trophy far from worthy. Now I know we're steady praying at the seams of these dreams could be controlled with the Holy Spirit reigning over, pleading peace. But with the thoughts of this poet, my soul is off and I know it. The daily routine of incompetence.